Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can play co-op in Zenless Zone Zero. So if you want to play co-op in the Zenless Zone Zero, here's what you actually need to know. So right over here, as you can see, you basically need to download the full game. You don't first of all, you need to download the full game because all main story content, event mission, and resources, you need this. So first up, you need to progress through the story. So you basically have to progress through the story first of all, because if you don't progress through the story, you will not be able to play active co-op mode. So you just gotta play the main story until multiplayer features become available, okay? Now after that, add your friends. Open the friends menu and send your friend a request using their UID. And then join an available co-op mode. Go to the event or game mode, and that supports multiplayer. Invite your friends and start playing together. Keep in mind that most of the game is still single player, and co-op is the only available in specific modes or limited time events. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.